Peace and blessings to all, peace and blessings. Hello, beautiful souls. Hope y'all taking care of yourself out there. Hope y'all raising the vibration. Sending love, peace, abundance, prosperity to all. May we rise in unity. Hope y'all protecting y'all energy out there. I know y'all feel that energy. We are rising. We are rising. Remember that you are in control, and remember to walk in your heart space. You are love. Love yourself and be yourself. Don't care who got what to say. Do not care who got what to say. Because you are divine. You are creator. Peace, love, and light. I love you, beautiful souls. Keep on loving yourself. Make sure y'all get out here and ground in this sun. Is beautiful out here. Nothing but love out here. Spread love. Be patient with yourself. Love yourself. Uplift yourself. And spread love to others. May we rise. May we rise. We are rising in frequency. They're doing any and everything to try to stop us from evolving and stop us from activating fully, but they cannot stop us. Fuck what they talking about. Focus on what you can control, because this is our time to rise. We are shining, beautiful souls. Walk in your path, speak your truth. Not worrying about when. There's nothing to be worried about. There's nothing to be afraid about. We are going in higher dimensions, higher consciousness. The activation is real. Keep on loving yourself. Keep on walking your path. Peace, peace, family. Ashe. Namaste.